How to fix camera not working on TikTok in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your iPhone camera and then check your camera works properly or not. After checking your iPhone camera, then go back to your screen and open TikTok. Now here you can see the plus icon. Now click on this plus icon and then click on continue. TikTok would like access the camera. If you by chance click on don't allow, then it will not access your camera. Now click on access camera and then click on open settings. Now here you can see the camera option. Now turn on your camera option. After turn on your camera option, then go back and it will turn on your camera. Now go back to your home screen, and if it doesn't work, then press and hold on TikTok and then click on delete app. After delete your TikTok, then reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.